Saving document. You can save a Photoshop document using Save and Save As options under File menu. You have an image right now there with you, so it's not yet saved, so let's save it, shall we? Go to the File menu and then select Save option. In the Save As dialog box, select the location. Specify a file name, and then choose the extension for it. If you need a copy of a file, under Save Options, you can select Save as Copy option. Similarly, you can also select Alpha Channels, Layers, Notes, and Spot Colors options. The color mode of the document can also be specified. This Use Lowercase Extensions. It will have an extension name in lowercase along with the file name. Then click on Save, and you'll have a prompt. The Maximize Compatibility will let you use the Photoshop document in other applications. If file size is a problem, you have to open the file in Photoshop, then turn off the Maximize Compatibility option. This option helps us save the flattened image with the layers in it. Finally, just click on OK to save the image. To save the image using the Save As option, go to File menu, and then click on the Save As option. Here in this dialog box, just specify a name. Then choose a location, and click on the Format option to select the JPEG format. Finally, click on Save, and now you've got the JPEG option dialog box, where you can set the quality under Image Options. Just click on the Quality option, where you can set the options as low, medium, high, or maximum. Or you can also move this slider left to right to reduce or increase the file size. Just click on the slider and drag it to the left. While dragging, you'll note the quality decreasing. Then under Format options, you have these Baseline Standard, Baseline Optimized, and Progressive, which help the image to display line by line or in multiples. Usually the Baseline Standard option is the default option. Finally, just click on OK to save the image in a JPEG format. Therefore, you can save the changes made in Photoshop documents, as well as you can save a new image using the Save As option.